Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. This is the fall CAUSEBOX. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of September, it is the Pure Festival palette. Put a link for that in the description box down below. I am so excited for today, for when I kind of filmed this a couple days ago, but when you're watching this, I'm on my way to see my son, who I haven't seen in 40 days, and I am so excited. I can't wait to give him a hug. Anyway, so we are going to be unboxing the fall CAUSEBOX, as well as there is a product in here that we are going to give away. I don't know which one yet. I do know a couple of the spoilers, just because you had to pick out certain products. They give you some customizations. So CAUSEBOX is quarterly subscription, comes out every season, and it's $54.95 a box. Or you can, if you pay for the year in advance, which I did, it comes to $49.95 a box. And the CAUSEBOX is really cool, you guys. All the products are sustainable. All the products are kind of good for you, and a lot of them they give back and they provide jobs in, you know, countries that aren't, in areas that aren't doing so well. And so I really enjoy supporting these brands. So let's find out what's in here. There's kind of a different smell coming off this box, and I'm not sure quite what it is. Let's open this bad boy up. So like I said, we are giving away one of the items in here, so you will need to know a secret code. That'll be somewhere in here. And then I'll kind of let you know what you need to do to enter the giveaway. Biggest rules: you must be a subscriber, watch the video in its entirety, and know that secret word. Some of you have asked me to start letting you know what I have on my eyes. I love this look that I created. I created it from the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. It will be featured in a fall favorites that will be up on Monday. There's such a strong smell coming from this box. Instant headache. I don't know what's going on here. Does have a pamphlet that talks a little bit about it. So by being an annual member, you got to choose items. If you're not an annual member, then CAUSEBOX chooses for you. So my first two choices were both from BATHEN. One is a waffle bathrobe in mint or charcoal, or you could have gotten the waffle towel set in mint or charcoal. So I chose the bathrobe in charcoal. It's not gonna work for me to hold it. This is what it kind of looks like. Just a really long, one size fits most. Unbelievable, cozy, and superbly soft. Could end up being your new WFH uniform. Took me a minute to figure out what WHF uniform was. It does retail for $90. And the towels retailed for $90 as well. So your next choice you could have got from TEASE Tea, a glass 3-in-1 tea and fruit tumbler, retailing for $39, or the Artisan Direct Milky Way Lantern, retailing for $40. I've been really getting into teas lately, so I did choose this one. And it's a convenient, easy way to brew, used for tea, coffee, or fruit infusions. It does have this kind of like gray cloth sleeve. Let me get it out here. Here's this. And just unscrew it. You can put, if you're doing fruit, you would put your fruit in, then put the basket in to kind of act as like a filter. And if not, you can unscrew the lid for this. Put your teas in here, screw this back on, and just set there and drink. I love this. It's really heavy too. Love it. Guys, I'm telling you, something is so strong in here. I haven't figured out what it is yet. So this next section you could have got from Volum, a Love Scrub, valued at $56. Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, retailing for $39. Or Tribe Alive Rose Gold Crisscross, retailing for $42. I figured out what it was, you guys. And I don't... It's like super strong pepper and ginger, and it's a post-workout delight with pepper and ginger. I thought I would give this to my son, who's a college cross-country and track guy, runner, and this would drive me nuts. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, because this is instant headache. So I went and got a Ziploc bag to see if that will kind of hold some of the smell in. I don't know. You know, I mostly love all the products that I get. That one was a big bummer. Instant headache, you guys. It's pretty bad. So next you could have gotten from the Green Co. set of 10 reusable facial rounds, retailing for $10, or from Buzzy Seeds Basil Grow Kit, retailing for $10. Both of those sounded really cool to me. I would have taken both of those over that aromatherapy. You guys, my head hurts so bad. I did pick up the reusable cotton rounds. So these say they can replace up to 12,000 cotton balls or facial rounds. The infused laundry rags makes washing easy. You guys, these are so cool. I have some of them. You know, put these, I would put them in like in a little jar, and then, because look how cute this is. And I always used my toner and my eye makeup remover with these things. So, and then when they are dirty, I kind of have a drawer that I put the dirty ones in, and then once it's full, I just put them in here, zip it up, and throw it in the wash. Easy peasy. Love that it's sustainable. Love it. Secret word of the day, sustainable. And every box does include the, from Core Bamboo, is this bamboo serve set. And prep and serve using this set made from one of the most renewable resources in the world, bamboo, for $35. It's basically has, you know, tongs here, spatula here, and then this cutting board. Love it. Every box does also have the Way of Will Brightening Face Serum for a healthy, dewy glow. Fight free radicals and hydrates the skins, made with vitamins A and C. Love this. This does retail for $37.50. And then look at this postcard. Same person who designed the box itself. Super cute. It reminds me of women supporting women. So all the products in here are cruelty-free. Love it. Retail value of this box is $275, because I love sharing with you guys and giving you guys my super secrets, stuff that I love. Let's give away this one, because I have a set and I really want you guys to try this out. So this is the Green Co. set of 10 reusable facial rounds. Cannot wait for you guys to do it, and let me know what you think of it, whoever does win it. So my giveaway is really easy. Just like, subscribe, be a subscribe, watch the video in its entirety, and know that secret word. In the comments down below will be a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. And as soon as the giveaway is over, I go ahead and delete it so that information isn't floating out there or anything like that. Do not put in the comments down below the secret word, because that way it's not fair for everyone. And then otherwise I'll delete your comment and you'll be disqualified from the giveaway. On the giveaway form, make sure to only fill it out once. That way it is fair to everyone. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. I purchased this to give back to you, to be a little ray of sunshine for you guys. I love giving back to you guys. I love cheering up and making somebody's day. So I do random number generator. When I pick that winner, I'll put in the comment section of this video the person's first name and first initial of their last name. So that's how I announce my winners. So let's have this giveaway go through October 13th, Mountain Standard Time, midnight. And then on October 14th is when I will pick that winner. It says open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damaged, anything like that, for it to get to you. Love doing these giveaways, you guys. But to do it, I've got to get this and keep doing it. I've got to get this monetized. Help me out with my watch time minutes, because that's where I'm like way behind. Like, I think I have, the last I checked, I was way behind. I had 1,484 watch time hours, and I have to have 4,000 watch time hours within a 365-day cycle. So please help me out. If you share this video, which would help me out as well, that'll give you an extra bonus entry. Also, to get an extra bonus entry in the giveaway, if you go follow me over on Instagram, that handle is beautyonmab. That will give you an extra bonus entry as well. I hope that you guys have a fabulous rest of your day. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos. If you have the time, watch them out. Help me with those minutes. Anyway, you guys, I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck on the giveaway. Bye.